What a mess. Hello group, this is a quick update of the craziness. Attachment mud for the Sphinx CNC router. It's a CO2, 40 watt CO2 laser tube. So this is just an experiment. I don't know if this thing is gonna work good or not, just for cutting purposes. But the tube is attached, power supply, high voltage connector, very important to ground to the machine. It's very important to have a grounding area close to the high voltage, just in case we have some arcing and don't hit yourself. But it's working. Actually, I have this K2 power control panel here connected to the power supply that is not going to be in use. I'm going to use another type of controller, so I don't need that. I just use it for like a test switch, so I can align my mirrors and everything. So, but I can show you here that we have fire, and we got fire. Let's see how I can hold this thing here. Oh, there you go. And all the way down, there's no lens installed yet, so you will see the beam very wide. And it's only 10%, that is, I don't know, maybe 10 milliamps or something. But everything is aligned, so next thing will be to set up the motion controller. I'm not going to be using the stock X Pro that is underneath the machine down there. So I'm going to use another thing. I don't know what, but I have here a very nice, what is this? Yeah, it's a readout controller. They say 6445, I think is the model. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna put this in here so I can just cross the drawer, some kind of a mount down here so I can control this thing. So let's see what happens, just to keep you posted, guys. And I don't know, it's not completely safe because it's not enclosed, but it's just for cutting wood in my case. My machine is in the garage completely open when I operate this machine, so I don't care about fumes at all when cutting plywood. So that's the main purpose for this one. So, you know, I already have the bigger rig down there, the other smaller rig, so it's just an experiment. Enjoy. See ya.